How to fix iOSGods unable to verify iPhone error. I'm going to show you how you can easily fix iOSGods unable to verify iPhone errors. First, try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data, as network issues can sometimes cause verification problems. You can also offload and reinstall the app by going to Settings, then General, and selecting iPhone Storage to find the iOSGods app. Once found, offload it and reinstall it from the App Store. Ensure your date and time settings are set to automatic by going to Settings, then General, and selecting Date and Time. Make sure to toggle on the Set Automatically option. Additionally, sign out of your Apple ID by going to Settings, tapping on your name, and selecting Sign Out. After signing out, sign back in with your Apple ID. If you're using a VPN, try disabling it, as it may interfere with the app verification process. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification issue with the iOSGods app.